Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Madam Governor, I was just wondering, in the event that the Senate finds you that none of the allegations for the second time made against you have been substantiated, I'm just wondering, what happens to the Meru County? How do you plan to work with the Deputy Governor who has been alleged, and of course you have stated and accused him of having planning to impeach you, and also plotted all the current activities and impeachment? So how do you plan to work with them? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The first action, I believe prayer works. I will continue to pray for those that are a lot of appetite to become the governor. God to lower the appetite so that we have time to work with the people of Meru. Number two, the time we left this place again, it took us just a month for us to come together and start working. It is very possible, it is very doable that we can still mend all the differences and put Meru first rather than our own interest. As a woman of God, I will forgive everyone.
Thank you, Senator Karen Nyamu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I wish to seek clarification from Madam Governor regarding allegations raised by the Council for the County Assembly regarding of the appointment of the chief officers. Section 42(2) of the County Government Act states clearly that the office of the chief officer shall be an office in the county public service, and at the same time, Section 44(3)(a) of the same Act indicates that the county secretary shall be head of that county public service. In consideration of these two provisions, Madam Governor, do you feel that your mandate in regard to the operations of the chief officer goes only up to nominating and appointing the chief officers on approval by the County Assembly? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. As much as I would not like to interfere within your office, and I believe that's why there is a structure in the government and in all governments. The County Public Service Board has its own mandate. The County Secretary of Meru has his own mandate provided by the law, and I think it's prudent enough for them to act according to the law.
Senator Oburu.
Mr. Speaker, I withdrew my question because it is exactly the same as the one Honorable Amida had asked about the reconciliation between the governor and her deputy. If she was saved, would she be able to reconcile with her deputy?
Senator Mbugua.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Madam Governor, having listened to you for 2 days and the other party, and having watched many videos, I would invite you as a CEO of the county to Section 192 of the Supreme Laws of the Land, and I read it for you. Article 192(1). The President may suspend a county government, A, in an emergency arising out of internal conflict or war. As a CEO of Meru County, do Do you think it has reached there, or there is a chance of reconciliation? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I think we have not reached there. By doing that, we'll have killed the dreams of young men that are MCAs today. We still have chance to unite and work together.
Now, honorable senators, that wraps up as far as this witness is concerned. Honorable senators, unless I gazette tomorrow as a sitting day, we will certainly overrun the runway. Looking at the time allocated here, if you lose just a minute, I will have to gazette tomorrow to be a date for us to sit to continue hearing this matter. It's about the time factor. We only have up to midnight. So it is about the time factor here. I give you an extra 10 minutes, and we've messed it up. So for those that's why I was giving opportunity to those senators who've not spoken a word since we started, okay? So at this juncture, you can have a seat, High Excellency, Governor Kawira.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Now, we are moving to a different session where we're going to have the closing remarks, closing statements from both sides. Now, each party will be given 1 hour to make their closing statement. You don't have to utilize the whole of the 1 hour. The maximum is 1 hour. If you can do less than that, the better, so that we can meet the midnight deadline. So, Council for the County Assembly of Meru, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. As communicated yesterday in